And today I'm going to share with you another quick and easy recipe from the coconut. This recipe originated in India, but it was made popular in the Caribbean because it is so good and it is super quick. We are going to be making coconut balls. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 1 cup of desiccated coconut. Now, if you don't know how to make your coconut like this, I'm going to link the video in the iCards above in the description below to see how we make desiccated coconut. And 1/4 cup of condensed milk. To a large bowl, we're going to mix the desiccated coconut and the condensed milk. And then we're going to form it into some small balls and roll the finished product in some desiccated coconut just for decoration, and then we're done.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get.
Our balls are almost done. Now we're gonna put them in the fridge so they can firm up for about 2 hours. Then it's time to taste this amazing treat. Our balls are done. This is such a delicious treat. Now, if you're diabetic, I don't recommend this for you, but if you just crave something sweet and filled with coconut, this is the treat for you. Now let's taste. Simply delicious. Great for children's parties. If you have enjoyed this other coconut recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other coconut recipes, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.